In the early days of the founding of New China, a new set of clothes was still a longing in many people's hearts. Today, our country has transformed into a globally recognized textile powerhouse, with chemical fiber production accounting for over 70% of the world's total output. From nothing to something, from weak to strong. From learning advanced foreign technology to innovating and surpassing it, each step reflects the ingenuity of Chinese textile workers. At a synthetic fiber production enterprise in Sichuan, achieving precision, efficiency, and stability in the entire process, as well as energy conservation, has been their most urgent need recently. As a major global player in synthetic fibers, China urgently needs to advance and improve the technology level of fiber production processes and equipment. We need to keep up with modern technological developments, adapt to the needs of modern enterprises, and lead in the fields of digitalization, intelligence, and new processes and equipment. Our recent project in Sichuan with Jixing has utilized many INVT products, including Servo drives, GD27 inverters, and GD880 products. With strong support from INVT's after-sales service, we have now basically completed the initial debugging work. We hope to achieve greater cooperation with INVT in the future. INVT's inverters, with their digitalization, have replaced the original production processes, increasing production efficiency and reducing labor costs. The use of PN communication has improved the timeliness of information data, faster response, and more convenient operation. The core of textile machinery embodies timeless determination. And the legacy of fiber reflects centuries of thought. Today, technology, green practices, intelligent manufacturing, and the integration of production and finance have become the main themes in the development of the synthetic fiber industry. Standing on a new starting point, the path to becoming a strong nation in synthetic fibers is extending beneath the feet of Chinese synthetic fiber professionals.